Good morning, children. Let's move on to the next topic, that is physical properties of metals and non-metals. There are about 91 metals in all, and most of the metals have certain common physical properties. We will see what are the various physical properties of metals and what are the various physical properties of non-metals. The first one is the state. All metals are solid at room temperature. Okay, all metals are solid at room temperature, but what is the exception? The exception is mercury. Mercury is the only metal which is found in its liquid state. Clear, children? All metals are solid except for mercury, which is in the liquid state. Usually metals have a silver color or a grey color. Metallic luster. What do you mean by luster? Luster means the shine. Metals in the pure state generally shine, and all the metals, they can be polished. So luster means the shine in a metal. The shine on the metallic surface is called as the metallic luster. Hardness. Metals are generally hard. Most of the metals are generally hard, but there are some metals which are soft. In the first video I explained which are they, like sodium and potassium. Okay, sodium and potassium can be cut with a knife, so they are soft, so soft. So all the metals are hard except for sodium and potassium. Clear? Then we let's move to the density. Density means metals have high density. Density means the density of a substance is the measure of how heavy it is. Density means when you measure how heavy an object is. So what is the formula for density? Density is mass upon volume. Mass in grams and volume in centimeter cube. According to the density, metals are divided in two groups, light metals and heavy metals. Like sodium and potassium are very light, and other metals you all know about iron, copper, silver, gold, they all are hard metals. Okay, sodium and potassium are very light. Malleability. What do you mean by malleability? Malleability means when you beat any metal, it can be beaten into thin sheets. जो sheets बन जाते हैं, that is called as malleability. Like gold and silver are the most malleable metal. Gold and silver को hammer करके you can make it into very thin sheets. You can make it into any any shape. Like for example, you all must have, we all eat sweets. स्वीट के ऊपर हैव यू ऑल सीन द फॉयल ऑन टॉप ऑफ द स्वीट, जैसे रसगुल्ला के ऊपर होता है, दैट इज अ सिल्वर फॉयल. एंड हाउ कैन यू बीट इट? इट इज बिकॉज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैलिएबिलिटी. मैलिएबिलिटी मीन्स इट कैन बी बीटन इनटू शीट्स. ठीक है, सो गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर कैन बी बीटन इनटू शीट. इवन एल्यूमिनियम, you all must have seen, we all use aluminum foils for packing. We all have got aluminum foils at home, isn't it? Aluminum foils देखे तुम लोग, पैकिंग के लिए होता है, for the packing of medicines, chocolates. We all use aluminum. And how it is? Because it has been beaten into thin sheets. Ductility is the property by which metals can be drawn into wires. Malleability means मार के शीट में कन्वर्ट करना, एंड डक्टिलिटी मीन्स उसको खींच के वायर में कन्वर्ट करना. लाइक गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर आर द बेस्ट डक्टाइल मेटल्स. कॉपर ऑल्सो, यू मस्ट हैव सीन एट आवर होम्स, वायर्स किसके बने होते हैं? दे आर मेड अप ऑफ कॉपर. वाई? बिकॉज दे कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर्स, मतलब उनको उसको खींच के वायर में कन्वर्ट किया गया. कंडक्टिविटी, यू ऑल नो ऑल मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Which are the good conductors of electricity? Silver, copper and aluminum. Silver is used for electrical contacts in computer, and mercury is the worst conductor of heat. Okay, mercury is the worst conductor of heat. Sonority. What do you mean by sonority? Sonority means जो आवाज आना. When you strike a metal, you get the sonority sound. For example, you all know bells are made up of metals. Why? क्योंकि बेल्स की आवाज़ देखो कितनी तेज़ आती है. They are sonorous metals. Metal wires being used in musical instruments. Musical instruments में metallic wires we use like in sitar and guitar. Why can we use them? We can use them because they are sonorous. So most metals are generally sonorous. Means metals में से आवाज़ आती है. If you make them, see my watch, you can hear. School जब जो bell होता है, that is also metal. You can see sonorous sound. Okay, they can hear the sound. Then melting and boiling point. Metals have generally high melting point and boiling point. Okay, that means very high melting and boiling point they have got, but sodium and potassium have got very low melting point. Clear, children? So for today we will wind up. The rest will continue in the next video. Thank you and be safe.